I have to say that I'm relieved, I'm excited, and I'm confident. So relieved because the last 2 weeks it was a little bit stressy. It's not the first time that you have to make a final list for a big tournament, but this is for World Cup. And we had to make some very difficult decisions, Elman and me together. So we had a lot of conversations in our office the last 2 weeks. What will we do with that one? What will we do with this one? Can we drop that one? Can we take this one? So it was not so easy, and we had a few difficult cases in our group, like Morena, who was injured, like Modiba, who was injured, so it was not so easy. And yesterday at 4 o'clock in the afternoon we took the final decision, and from that moment I was relieved that what we did and what the choices we made, that were the right choices. I'm excited, certainly I'm excited, like everyone of the 26 players and the staff and all together. We are excited that we can go to the World Cup. It's in football the biggest tournament, the highest level that you can achieve as a coach, as a player. And it's so long ago for this country that we were present on such a big tournament. So I think everybody is excited to go, and everybody is also ready to go, passing the limits to have a very good result when we come back from Mexico. I'm confident because I'm 5 years here, and I think it's something that every time came back that I was confident in what I did and what I chose. And this time again, I'm full confident in the choices we made and in the team we have.